I wanted a simple way to run my own unlimited email marketing system. So I set everything up inside Coolify and I recorded the whole process. Here's exactly how I did it. First, I go into my Coolify dashboard and open projects. I'm keeping everything clean and separated. So I create a new project for this email server. I just add the name email server. You can add any name you want and click continue. Now I click add resource, then search for Mautic. I'm using Mautic 5, the latest free, full email marketing software. Let's go to the Mautic web settings. Here I get a warning message about port 80. Don't worry about that for now. Next I go to domain and add my subdomain. Click save. Now we jump to our domain service and add the DNS record. For me, the domain is aibuilttools.com, and I add my server's IP address. Once that's done, I come back and deploy Mautic. It takes a little bit to complete the process. Okay, once it's finished, I click the link and the Mautic installation window appears. Let's go to the next step. Here it asks for the database password, so I go back to Coolify, open configuration, and copy the database password. Paste it under the database password. The database username is already filled in, so I hit next step. Now I wait for it to verify the database. After that, I add my admin username and password. Then I add my email address. In my case, it's demu@cvglobal.com and click next step. And that's it. You're now at the login screen. You're done. Now you can send unlimited email campaigns on your own system, but we still need to configure the SMTP server. I'll show you how to install your own email server inside Coolify in an upcoming video. If you need that sooner, just drop a comment and I'll prioritize it. And hey, if this video helped you, please smash the like button and hit subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll show you how to use Mautic in a later video.